In Spiny events, you can also add posts and pages to your event website. Pages are great for providing additional information beyond just speakers, sessions, and sponsors. You can use them for sections like About Us, accommodation info, travel details, media kit, volunteer opportunities, health and safety guidelines, or your code of conduct. Posts, on the other hand, are perfect for sharing updates and announcements related to your event, such as important dates, behind-the-scenes updates, speaker interviews, or side event announcements. Adding posts and pages is a simple process. To add a post, go to the sidebar and click on Posts. Here you'll see a list of posts we have already added. To create a new one, click Add a Post. This will take you to the post editor. Now just add a title, write your content, and upload a featured image related to your post. Once you're done, you can select the date and time and then click Create Post. Now you can see the post we just added in the list. To preview it, simply click on Preview. This will open the post so you can see how it looks on the site. You can also view the post directly from the blog page, where all your event updates and announcements will appear. Similarly, to manage pages, go back to the dashboard and click on Pages in the sidebar. Here you'll see a list of all the pages that have already been added. You can edit them if needed. To create a new page, click on Add a Page. This will take you to the page editor. Add a title and your content, then click Create Page to publish it. Once the page is created, you can also click Preview to see how it looks on your site. All right, now that we've created our pages, let's link them to the navigation menu and footer. To do that, go to the Customizer, then in the sidebar, click on Header Navbar to manage your main menu links. From here, you can add a new menu item like About Us and set the URL path to /about-us. Once you're done, click Save. Now let's go back to the website and refresh the page. You'll see About Us successfully added to the header navbar. Similarly, to update the footer, go back to the Customizer and click on Footer. Here we'll update the 3 footer links that I've already added. In the sidebar, go to Links, then click on Items. From here, you can add the URL of any page. For example, I'll add Code of Conduct with the URL /Code of Conduct. Once done, click Save. Now let's go back to the website and click on Code of Conduct in the footer. You'll see that the page is now successfully linked. You can repeat the same process to add or edit other links. Also, if you want to edit the link text, then you can edit them as well. And that's it. That's how you can add posts and pages and then link them to your event website.